Hello everyone, this is Simpy Kiwi. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you can receive notifications on when I upload a new video. Today I'm coming in not with this manicure, but I did tape this manicure, so hopefully I'll get that uploaded soon. If you like this, please let me know in the comment section. But I did come in today with some items that I purchased at different retailers, and I wanted to share that with you today. Some of my items came from Sally, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. The first is a nail art decal. This one is more of a holiday nail art decal, and this was 99 cents. And the other is more of a hearts, maybe for Valentine's Day. That was also 99 cents. Let's see. I purchased this polish, which was for 49 cents. Read My Mind. And this is a finger paints color. And I can show you on the back. It's pretty. It's an orange color. The next that I purchased also from Sally's is Be Mine Forever. And this is OPI. And this was for 49 cents. And that's a pastel yellow color. Have another pastel yellow color also from Sally. This is from China Glaze, Kill 'Em With Kindness. Also from Sally's, this is also the finger paints, Blushing with Excitement. This was also 49 cents. Let's see if I can get it angled to where you can see the color better. And that's more of a, I swatched it today and it was more like a peachy coral looking color. What else I got from Sally's? Oh, also from Finger Paints, this was the multicolored masterpiece, and I had been, it's more like a dual chrome, like a greenish, silverish, tealish color. You can see some flecks of purple in it. Really pretty multi-chrome color. And I have been eyeing this for the longest, and it was, to me, it was pretty expensive when it first came out, but they haven't had it on clearance. So I picked that up. Then at CVS, they had these paparazzis, and this one is Clean Slate, which is more of a gray shimmery color, like a blue base shimmery color. Then the next paparazzi is again a dual chrome. It is Pewter Perfect. It's a pretty color. Then I headed over to Dollar Tree, and they have these polishes, which is the Kiss Gel Strong Nail Polish. This first one is called This Romantic, and when I swatched this, it's more of a olive green, and I didn't think it would look good on my complexion, but when I put the fake nail on top of my nail and I saw it, it's a really pretty color. Another Kiss Gel polish is Narcissism, and this is more of a pale pink. Might look white on camera, but it's a pale pink. This next one is also Kiss Gel. It's Feminine. Another gorgeous color. Very pretty. The next Kiss Gel polish, excuse me, is Mood Today. And this is more of an orange color. It might look yellow on camera, but it's an orange color. It's very pretty. Excuse me, y'all. Got a tickle in my throat. This is another Kiss Gel. It is Necessity, and this is more of a shimmery purple color. Very pretty. The next one I have is another Kiss Gel. It's Dressy, and this is a metallic-y, shimmery hunter green color. And the last one I have is from Kiss Gel is Habit, and this is kind of like a slate blue, baby blue color. And when I swatched it, I fell in love with it. It's gorgeous. The next three are from Five Below, and these are more, the next two are more of a glitter. This is from Funky Fingers, and this is Mermaid Tears. It's got a lot of flecks of different, like a holographic flakies in there. Really pretty. And the next one is also from Funky Fingers, and this is another glitter polish. It is Unicorn Dust, and this camera is not showing the beauty of it, but it is more of a pink base with holographic or iridescent type glitters. Very pretty. The next one is also from Funky Fingers. It is Pink Quartz. And I almost forgot I had some more Funky Fingers. They were a blue color. Yeah. Hold on one second for me. Let me get that out. I almost forgot. And then I'm gonna backpedal for a minute, but I do have another Funky Fingers. This is Free Spirit, and it has here that it's supposed to change colors from the inside and outside. I have not tried it yet, but it is a very pretty blue. Very pretty. The next one is also a Funky Fingers. It is Moonshine. This is more of an iridescent blue. When you're looking at it, it's blue, and then when you shift it to the side, the shifts are more of a green shift. Very pretty. Very pretty. And the last one in the blue family with Funky Fingers is It's a Trap. And this is more of a shimmery blue also. Just a different shade. And to backtrack, I forgot I had this with Kiss Gel. This is in the blue family, That Moment. It's more of a darker blue. Pretty as well. And from Walmart, I've got this glitter polish from Color Club, and it's called Constellation Prize. Very pretty. So those are the items that I did purchase from, of course, Sally, Walmart, Five Below, and Dollar Tree. If you want to see any of these items swatched, please let me know in the comments section and I'll be happy to do a swatch for you. And again, thank you so much for watching, and you all have a great day. Until next time, smooches!